now. Welcome to New York. This is our first morning, our first sunrise in our hotel in Queens. Apparently today we're gonna have a really nice weather, blue skies, and there in the distance we can see the Queens Bridge that crosses to Manhattan. And those buildings in the distance, they are the Queens Plaza, I believe, some kind of business center probably in Queens. And in front of our hotel there is some construction site that are probably building hotels or apartments. But stunning view in here, really nice. Welcome to New York. You can go directly. It's this for cereal.
I want porridge.
Yeah.
We are downstairs now for a breakfast. It's super busy. It's a weekend, so it's like this. Normally, he said less people is at 6 a.m. But that's a bit on the early side.
Yeah. But you can see like all the crowd just for the breakfast, because of course the breakfast is included in here. So it's a huge madness in this hotel for the breakfast. And we are not in Manhattan, we are in Queens. Maybe that's the thing, there are more people in here, but I think it's like this everywhere.
Maybe everywhere, because now they say that tourism picked up again in US. So so there is more people.
Yeah.
And the food is like more or less as expected, just the scrambled eggs, some potatoes, fruits, yogurt. I was not able to find like a normal yogurt, let's say with a normal fat. It's like whether it's something creamy or plain or even, I don't know. But at least, no.
Thank you so much.
Dziękuję.
Dziękuję. It's Polak?
No, he's from Ukraine, but
Bon appetit. First breakfast in New York this time.
yeah, and a coffee.
And a coffee. See you later in Manhattan. This is our hotel room in our hotel in Queens. It's very well connected. It's 5 minutes walk from the Queens Bridge station in the 21st. And in here the room is added with a kitchenette. We've got a microwave. We have glasses. We have some plates in here. Some kitchen towels. And in here also we got some utensils, stuff to use if you are planning to stay a few days and you don't want to spend too much time cooking. You also get a fridge, convenient. And this also has a dishwasher, some pots. This is the sink, and here we have some more utensils, more plates, some pots for salads, etc. We get a coffee machine. The first time we came, they gave us some coffees and teas, so you can make in the coffee machine. We have a, how you call this, like a bar?
Yeah. Like a bar.
like a bar table, so you can just sit and eat something in here. You also get a couch, so you can just chill. You can watch TV. It's like a 50 inches TV, more or less, so you can spend some time in there. We have like a table desk that you can use if you plan to like work on something, connect your laptop maybe if you bring something, if you come for work. We have some view to the city. I think this is Queens Plaza, and here in the morning you can also see the Queens Bridge from here. The bed is big. It's a double bed. I would say it's queen size. And next to it, you have some furniture with drawers, so plenty space to add your clothes or whatever you bring. You have lamps. The same on the other side. You have the same drawers. You have a space for hanging. Also, you get some drawer in here. You need to put some stuff in here. They get a safe. We didn't get to use it because we didn't bring the jewelry from the grandma. You got some other space in here with a ironing board, and here you have the bathroom / toilet. Get a shower in here. It's very spacious. It's very spacious, the hotel. So you have space to put in this furniture for your cosmetics, toiletries, the sink. Quite convenient. So you get towels, clean towels every day. They make the room every day, and you get fresh towels, everything. Also, they give you a duvet, an extra cover if you get cold, and that's it. This is our room. Convenient. I really recommend it. I think it's a good room, and it's very spacious, and it's convenient. It's close to the city, to Times Square. I think like 20 minutes away from Times Square or Rockefeller Center.
Yeah.
And
convenient by metro.
Really convenient, well connected. Also, if you're coming from the JFK airport, it's just coming directly the metro, and it makes less than an hour, 40 minutes probably or less. So yeah, recommend that. But if you prefer to stay more close to the midtown, depends how late do you plan to be there. But the area by night looks a little bit sketchy. Some people might get scared, to be honest, but I think, in my opinion, is not dangerous, but it does look sketchy. Yeah, so depends what you want, but I found it convenient. So thank you. I hope this information is useful. So remember to click like, subscribe, and comment below. See you in the next one. Take care.